Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix not working game step-by-step tutorial for Division 2. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials. I'll do my best to help you fix some games that you have problems with, and I love doing this, so I'll be really happy if you can subscribe. And now let's jump right into the video. So uh, I had this problem before and I found a solution. Now I can't guarantee this will work for you as well, but I decided to share this solution with you as well. So make sure you try this and let me know in the comment section if this worked for you. Okay, so what you gotta do is pretty simple. So you gotta head over to Windows Update, and I'm not saying you should update your Windows, which is not a bad idea, but that's not what I did. I went to advanced options, and here we have optional updates, and for me there were a lot of updates available that I didn't download and install. So for you to install, just check all of them and click on download and install button. Okay, that's what you have to do to fix this problem. Now you can try another method that I know but I haven't tried, but you can try, is to simply go to device manager, and here just go into this display adapters and right click and select update driver. Okay, and here you should see some drivers models that are available to install. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you guys, and thank you for watching and take care.